Hello and welcome to this next lesson in our Git Essentials course. Congratulations, you have done so good so far. You went through merging, branching, rebasing and so on. You have configured your all Git environment in the basic one. This is a good job so far, so keep on, and I hope that the following videos are as helpful as the previous ones. In this video, we want to talk about Git reset. I said in the previous video that we can force the master branch to be on the same state as the feature/a branch without merging or rebasing anything. And therefore, we can just move the pointer of master to the pointer where the feature/a branch is. You see the current state of our repository. It has not changed. I did not do any changes in comparison to the previous video. I just now want to set the master branch in sync with the feature/a branch. To do this, I just want to check out the master branch first. I switch to master, and now I can use or utilize the git reset command to do the following thing. I can say git reset this branch to the feature, to my target branch, to the git feature/a branch. And as you want to have exact the same state as the feature/a branch has, you can say --hard. So this will reset the whole working directory to be on the same state as the feature/a branch is. I just hit enter, and now you can say that the head is now at this commit hash here, and it is the same hash as we see above. I just want to show you the updated commit log, and now you can see that the master branch is on the same is in the same shape as the feature/a branch. So this is one thing you can reset to. Sometimes you want to change the pointer of a local branch to another branch since you made some rebasing like read it, or you have an obsolete branch but you want to reuse the branch name or something like this. Therefore you can use this hard reset. Please keep in mind I said if you want to move the pointer of your local branch, there are coming some restrictions. There are going to come some restrictions if we use a Git server. Then you are not allowed to move branches as you like, since you do not want to override the history you have already uploaded to the server. But this topic is covered a little bit later on. I just want to show you another use case where you can use the git reset command. For example, what I can imagine is that you sometimes make it you make a commit unintentionally. Sometimes you just go through the history and run accidentally the wrong command, and this is a commit command, and then you say, oh my gosh, I just want to reset the state to my working directory as I had before because you were not ready to do this commit. I will do this right now. I just added our a.txt file once again, and I just insert something. It's just by accident, and I'm not ready with my changes yet. And now I run git add dot. It's a synonym for git add all, and then I say git commit -m accidentally committed. Okay, so this is the case. So oh my god, I did not want to do this commit, right? So, and I show you the graph once more. Now our master is ahead, one thing, but I wasn't ready to commit this. It was just by accident. And for this, you can just say git reset head. So this is the head, right? So you can reset the head one commit before you are currently are. right? So you are on this commit, the head is on this commit, but you now want to shift to the previous commit. And there is a baked-in syntax in Git you can use, and writing the tilde sign with the one will move the head from this commit to this commit. But now we do not add the minus minus hard parameter. We just pass minus minus soft. And minus minus soft is the default setting for the git reset, so you do not need to write it anymore. And executing this will show you that you are now have unstaged changes. So these are the changes that went accidentally into the commit. First of all, I want to show you the graph. You now see that we are now back in sync with our feature/a branch, and git status will tell us that we have our modified a.txt file. So in case that you have accidentally committed something and you just want to remove this commit or come back to your feature/a branch, the git reset command is a really handy tool.